going to look at 3 electric sonic toothbrushes from Mornwell and show you the benefits of each one. I have 3 different electric sonic powered toothbrushes to look at today. They're all from Mornwell. I think we've all heard about the benefits of using an electric toothbrush. They work better than a manual toothbrush and are better at keeping your teeth and gums healthy. They can be particularly helpful for anyone who has arthritis or issues with dexterity, but for anyone they can make the job of toothbrushing easier and more effective. All of these are rechargeable and come with the charging stand you see on the bottom. All 3 are Ipx7 Waterproof rated, so you can use them in the shower if you'd like to multitask and brush your teeth while showering. They're all Bpa-Free and are FDA approved. The first model here is all white. It's the Mornwell D01. This has 40,000 vibrations per minute, or VPM, and it's powerful dynamic teeth cleaning action. On this toothbrush, you have 4 brushing modes: clean, soft, whiten, and massage. You have the 2-minute smart timer. You have 2 minutes of automatic brushing cycle with an interval pause reminding per 30 seconds to develop good dentist recommended brushing habit. That basically means you have 30 seconds to do each quadrant of your mouth. If you split your mouth into 4 parts, the top and left corners are 2 separate, and the top and right bottom corners, there you go. You have inductive charging with a worldwide voltage of 100 to 240 volts. This has a huge battery that is very helpful with this inductive charging. This electric toothbrush can last up for 2 weeks once fully charged. The battery volume is indicated with an LED light that shows when to get charged. So when you turn this on, I'm going to turn it on real fast. First, it comes up with the clean mode, and if you can see at the bottom, you see how much of a percentage you have left on the battery. Now, while I'm at it, I'm going to show you the other modes. Oh, you use this button to change the modes. Oops. That is soft. As you could tell, the noise of the toothbrush went down. This is to whiten your teeth. And this is massage. All right, and as you can see, there are 4 different head attachments, and they each come with a cover. So if you're going to take this on the go, you're going to already have a cover for your toothbrush and different heads for different occasions. There are 2 types of replacement toothbrush heads included. There are 2 of these right here and 2 of the one that I have on the top. 1, 2, and this equals 4 in total. Now I'm going to go and show you the next model. All right, so here we have the next model, and that is the Mornwell D01B. As you can see, it is black, and I believe this is for those who want a more modern or maskier look, and the features are essentially the same as the white D01 model. As you can see, it has the same 2 buttons, the on and off button right here and the mode button, just like the one before. And we have 4 brushes with 2 brushes each of the same type. Now I can turn this on and show you the modes like I did for the first one. Turn it on. It starts off with your clean mode. And as you can tell, you do get your battery light down at the bottom. It's a bit brighter on the black one than it is on the white one, in my personal opinion. Then you change to the soft mode. The vibration and the noise gets a little bit lighter. Now we have the whiten mode and the massage mode. You do have the same charging base, just like the first one, with this brush as well. All right, so now I am going to show you the third toothbrush. So finally we have the Mornwell DO2. Now, this is a pink and white one. This features 3 brush modes: clean, soft, and massage. I'll show you a closer up of that in a bit. This has 31,000 vibrations per minute, which is slightly less than the previous ones I just showed you. It's also very lightweight. This also has wireless inductive charging and lasts for at least 2 weeks of regular brushing once fully charged. That's great. Great for traveling, or maybe you're just a bit lazy and don't want to charge it all the time. This package does include the toothbrush heads, and there are 2 pieces of replacement heads and the charging dock. As you can see, the heads, one is green and white and the other is blue and white. Unlike the previous 2 we just went over, these do not have caps. This also has a 2-minute automatic timer for brushing cycle with an interval pause reminding per 30 seconds. So like the last ones, if you divide your mouth into 4 different quadrants, this is going to remind you to switch. This does have overcharging protection and an anti-slip rubber feet to make the electronic toothbrush safe and stable. So this does feel nice, a little bit better than the other ones, I'll be very honest, and it does look a little bit better. This has a very easy use as well. So I'm gonna push the on button on for you. It's right here. And as you could tell, it starts off in the clean mode. I push it one more time and I go into the soft mode. And then I go into massage mode. Now, unlike the other 2 brushes before, this does not have a whitening mode. So this has 3 modes instead of 4. And there isn't a mode button. You kind of have to lightly press the on and off button for it to switch to a different mode. You press the key within 5 seconds of pressing the on button to change the modes. If you press it after 5 seconds or longer, it will automatically shut the device off. All right, so these are the 3 Mornwell toothbrushes. This is the DO1, the DO1B, and the DO2. Now, the only differences that I see between these are whether you want one with a masculine, stronger device, or one very similar with just a different color, and this one with fewer modes and fewer heads. These all are very powerful, nice devices that are going to increase and enhance your toothbrushing abilities. These are also going to help increase your oral health and provide a better smile. Alright, so that is all I have today on the Sonic Power Toothbrushes by Mornwell. Thanks for watching. Please check the description section below for more information on these toothbrushes.